Welcome to my stream, where knowledge reigns supreme. Calm and collected,
Fixerbot
I'm
says.
about to go live. You
Welcome.
know what I
Stream
mean?
starts in 5
High
minutes.
expectations, gonna teach you something new. Learning and hacking, exploring. There's so much we can do. Feel the excitement as we dive into uncharted lands.
Tyrone Slux says.
Discoveries await.
Yeah, you can do that with multi-RTMP, you can start on the second channel, and stop on the first one.
Fixerbot says.
T-minus 4 minutes.
Tyrone Slux says.
Yeah, StreamerBot would be an issue with two channels, you would need two copies running. Where did you get the music? I played with Udio the other day.
Fixerbot says.
Stream about to start, 1 minute left.
Bezilia says. It's late here, so I'm going to turn in. Hope to catch you another time. Tyrone Slux says.
See ya, Bezilia, have a good one.
Bezilia says. Fixit 42 Wave. Jerome Sluck says.
Yeah, it's old plugin, but it does work well. Especially now that you can multi-stream, yeah! That virus post is a bit suspect. Path to non-portable lol. I've got a meeting with work in 5 minutes, so I'll be lurking for a bit.
So I was muted on YouTube all the time. I didn't even check it. We just clicked stuff. I can see that I'm live on Twitch, but I can't see if I have audio. So let's confirm that I'm actually still live. Um, oh, one of the subs I didn't want was expired. How nice. No, it was that I clicked that I didn't. Okay. I said it not to be. Oh, I have the stream up in muted by my TTS here, so I can do admin stuff. And I got a tiny ad on the side, then I switched over to a full one. Because on mobile, you can do the. Let's see. So this one is actually muted. If we unmute. So this one is actually muted. If we unmute. So I'll mute it again. I heard myself. So that's good. And I'm like, why am I having my hand in front of my face? And apparently I did. Yep. So, let's go back wherever we were. And let's close that one too. Someone just asked about the line or the channels. So we should have multi-RTMP on now. Right, I was actually going to look at YouTube too, right? So if I click this, I am live here. So we should have multi-RTMP on now. Right, I was actually going to look. That's a very too, right? Odd. Why is the audio so bad? If I click, it's like metallic. And at the start it should be muted because I had my mic off. So what if I do test here? I don't think I even know how I would get started connecting this to my TTS. I'll have to ask to do the live. If we go back to current time, I don't think I even know how I would get started connecting this to my TTS. I'll have to ask to do the live. If we go back to current time, I don't think I even know how I would. So why is this here? Connecting this to my TTS. I'll have to ask to do the live. If we go back to current time, I don't think I. Anyway, we don't need this anymore to have it in a separate one. That was just a test. And I guess that doing the YouTube thing, the reason I would do it mainly, if I do it, would be to not have to upload. So here, after every stream, I go here and I do. Okay, this is active, so it can't be done. But this one, I can export, and then I just click public and start export, and then it's up on the YouTube channel. So, and this is not a garden test stream, and it'll be quite different. All right, and we have two here. So the last one was actually ended, though I just closed down. I think it kind of seems this one was not. I actually stopped streaming and started again, and it was still put as one. Or was it not? Maybe it was not. Uh, this ended up not being guarding because my kid wanted to be alone over there, and I don't want to stream. You know where someone is who doesn't want to be on stream. So it ended up being walking around outside stream instead. Um, let's just play with this. I have no clue why we didn't get the stream count down. I'll have to look at that later. But the change I made was this. And I guess we could have it to Annie. Keep it that. And if I remember to fix it, then I'll fix it. If I don't remember, it still works now. So next stream we don't skip the count on it because I usually am not finished when I click it because I know it's a 5-minute countdown. So I got a mail from YouTube saying I am live, which is kind of funny. Why would I want a mail saying that I am online? Shouldn't I know that already? Mm. So this mostly, actually, I couldn't even eat it when it was new. So it's better now when it's a bit soggy. 2 hours old. So let's look at the settings, see if we have anything new. So streaming, so I can't make any changes still. Is it kind of hard to do this then? Let's look into how it works. So let's actually I actually have that. So what I want is actually to see how it looks like. Were there no instructions in the page? I don't think so. So let's move this back and let's just explore ourselves instead. Oh, this or that. Right. So so far I've only seen the dark. So multiple output. I also installed this without starting to look at it. Multiple output. So Yeah. I'm kind of curious now. We can have it here instead. So it's got a bit more space. If I add a new target here, I'm thinking I wanted my normal one here too, right? So let's call this Twitch. Because I'm thinking I'll start several of the same OBS with this. I'm not intending to do several in the same OBS, but maybe that's possible too. It will be very odd with chat too. How will the chat work? Because I definitely rely on these. This is what I use, you know, the streaming chat. This is my main control of the stream. So I need those for all. Twitch, fix it, 42, unwinding. And I haven't got a clue, but I guess it's RTMP, right? Service, URL, stream key. And we have an icon. So if I type here, and I don't have this, so I can safely paste stuff here. So let's just do a test. Popping up Notepad, typing whatever, and copying this and pasting it here, and we can't see what it says. That's good. Video settings, share with OBS, share from, get from OBS. So you can use something different. So I should get started with this because I should speed up. That's what I'm saying. I should speed up if I want this to work in 2 hours. Let's take the last bite and focus because I've been like lacing stuff. I'm already planning my running today. That's what I'm doing. So, V6. Why? Well, it saves some kind of resources to use only this, I guess. Will it actually use? It will be funny experiment to try IPv6 only, right? Whatever. I need some information here from Twitch. And I don't know what it is. And I removed it from there, so I better open a new tab here. And I'll mess up my Twitch settings, but whatever.
Meeting is over.
Welcome back. Welcome back. I'm just going into this. I'll have to log into my other account here.
I just want to start over now that I've played a little bit.
Always Twitch keeps starting it automatically. if you have a tip, how not to start this thing automatically, or how to not. Oh well, that's so annoying. Very annoying. So I'm going to. I realized I can open a private window, so I don't have to log myself out of the main one.
I don't know how to make it do that, so never have had to stop it.
Never have had to stop it. So when you open Twitch, it always starts at once, right? Is it just me?
The autoplay thing.
I mean, it's always starting, right? It's the so never have had to stop it. I mean, it does start for you too, right? Oh, I'm just opening a. This is not sacred, so I'm just opening a new window here.
Well, I have featured streamers, but I don't hear it, I don't think. I don't know, smile smile. Too early to think.
Okay. Yeah. So this one is not logged in, so let's log in. That's the point. I'm logging in as this one. Nothing secret so far, but if I'm copying the key, right, I have two-factor, of course, so I'll have to confirm that I'm me. What? Oh, right, that was a mail. I was like, why do I get this YouTube thingy up? Because it actually was mail. So, 5, well,
Yeah, that other guy's board was psychotic. What was that even?
another one, all of the time. Well, it's just annoying when you're streaming, right? Achievement completed like clockwork. What? How can my how could my unwinding account get any achievement? Did I stream twice or 3 times? That's interesting. Anyway, I'm going to the settings now.
Yeah, I have it on mute, I guess. I just opened Twitch on the home page, and I see the video of a featured streamer, but no audio.
Okay. So is the whole tab muted by default then, or what is muted? Maybe there's a setting that you don't remember setting. So, channel and videos, maybe? So I'm just looking here now. Where on earth do I have those things? So sorry for not showing this, but I'm thinking I am looking for the stream key, so the stream
Nope, just the
manager.
stream on there. If I open Pirate Software Stream for example, that's muted too, so that must be my default.
Yeah, but when I open a stream, it always mutes by default for me too. It's just the front screen that doesn't, the starting one. Introducing, no. It wanted me to look at stream together.
Oh, strange.
Yeah, so settings, stream, I found it. So then I just need the URL. What on earth should I put as the URL? I know this will be stars, but still, just to be safe, I'm not going to check this one now. We need a URL too. if I click OK here, so I'm sorry for dragging things off screen. So you can't see, it's because I'm looking at the stream stuff. Yeah, and this is grayed out, so I can't look at this without stopping streaming.
You can get the URL from Twitch Ingest recommendation.
So where is that?
Have a Google for
Okay,
it.
okay. Yeah, but shouldn't it be here? I mean, seriously. Stream key? But what about the actual URL?
Lol, nope, don't be silly, it won't be in there. That would
Yeah, I
make
mean,
sense.
that would make sense, right? Like being just on top here, use with URL or something. Okay, let's. By the way,
Or
you're.
even a link to a list of ingest servers.
Yeah.
Twitch is a mess.
So I'm going to Google for Twitch. Yeah, since I'm in a private, I'll have to set
To add a link to
cookie.
that page would take 2 minutes. It's
Well,
just a little HTML.
yeah, they could add that. Yeah, and this is just, so this is what I get. I just Googled Twitch ingest with a space between, and I got this link. So I guess 3 and
Yep,
4.
that's the page.
So since the stream key is in there separately, I assume this is what we need. And we also have the YouTube. So we're actually streaming to YouTube now. But for that to be actually useful, we'll see. We'll see. So I was here. I did save this one. So let's modify it and add the URL. Which I do feel should be like automatically set, right? So use authentication. We'll just see what happens. Let's explore it. So what happens if I start this? Is this all the feedback I get? I want a new chat window, of course, and I want a new stream setting window. That's how I manage it. This is worse than having a second OBS, okay?
You're not live on your other channel.
No. So I didn't get an error message.
Now.
Is it online now? Let's go look.
You are live, yeah.
Yeah. So no authentication, whatever that is. I guess the stream key is the authentication. So now it's going to start audio again. So what if I do this? I have
The authentication is for if it need user/pass, I think.
Yeah, but I'm thinking that the stream key is the key. So that's the authentication. But I'm guessing that since this might be another platform that doesn't use that kind of thing, I guess. Whatever. So now I usually pause this, not mute it.
Yeah, it
So
is for
let's
Twitch
see if
and
it
YouTube,
remembers
but other
this.
RTMP and Jest might use user/pass yep.
So now I put this.
So now
Okay,
I put
so
this.
we're actually live here now.
Okay, so we're actually live here now.
Good and bad with this. Or we could mute it instead, so I can see that it's still there. The thing is, I don't like this.
As for chat, you can add a dock of the pop-out chat.
Yeah, can I get these for the other one? So since I haven't made these, let's see if we can custom. So those are not there. These are not custom. How can I configure these?
Yeah,
Let's
you can
see.
get the URL for pop-up chat, and add a custom one. Yep, you got it.
Yeah, but I want to know how these are set up. I want like the information for these. But I guess this is just a HTML. I know that annoying thing is when I raid, this will raid too, you know? I would like this to be not raiding. So if there's a way, also this is kind of buggy, right? You can't use it.
You can add
It's
them all for
very
the
buggy.
secondary channel. You can get a list of the URLs.
Okay, do you have the list? But I'm still thinking, why doesn't this work, you know? Because this should work. Why don't I have any emotes here? Because that's always annoying me. And we could have this bigger, you know. My scene names are not very huge. I could have a bigger chat here, but I can't use emotes, and that's very annoying. Let's see if I can like, yeah, this works, but why doesn't this button work? Hmm. I'm very curious how this differs from normal chat. Maybe I should not use this one, but something custom. Hmm. And I would like to edit the names of these, right? So, what page is this?
That might be a OBS Chrome limit.
Copy current address. That's nice. So let's look at this just to see what it is. This is what it is.
Yeah, if you add a custom doc, you can call it what you like.
Yeah, so now I can make my own for both, and I can have a more custom thing. Theme-a-do. Then of course I would want this to start from remote. I'll need to add that to be able to stream on it today. So if we create a new custom one called
You do like to
fix
push the
it.
limit, smile smile.
What's the point otherwise? Fix it chat. There. And I want a new line, thank
Very
you.
true.
Fix it. Or let's just do unwinding. We don't want lots. Unwinding chat. And then we Oh, this is not the chat one. This is the stream info. Let's do Fixit 42. Unwinding. And this is info. Info there. And then we have the chat. And let's take this URL and put it here. Yeah, that's looks right. Fixit chat and new line, please. Yes, just clicking anywhere outside it. Very, very logical. This. We're also going to add YouTube here, of course, but not. Maybe we'll see where we go to. We'll need to add the automatic stuff. So unwinding chat and unwinding. It's kind of easy to type. Unwinding. That's nice. Enter also works. So if we apply this, I'm just curious. So, right, it's this line I saw. I was like, what's that? So we're getting lots of stuff here. We have unwinding chat. Yeah. So let's remove the chat and let's remove the stream information. There. Oh, the
You will need to
lower
log into
third
the Unwinding
things.
Twitch account to be able to type in that window.
Okay. Yeah. So we'll need to log in. And it doesn't remember any information, of course. Let's see. All right, look, I have a very nice message here. I'm
Bot.
thinking,
Lol.
yeah, we got a bot. I'm thinking, shouldn't Twitch like have this in its checking for things that's not allowed thing? What? So, oh, activity feed. Oh, musician at home too. um, these are these two are from Kimari's guys.
I added their common text to an action in StreamerBot, and banned them.
Okay, yeah. I'm just thinking I don't want to ban people, you know. I might even unban people that are supposed to be banned. Really, I did actually. We were saying real bad things in chat. Let's close this one for now. And we have to, yeah, nice that I have the name so I know what I'm supposed to log in as. So let's do one at a time. We have this one, unwinding chat, and let's say that my
Yeah,
password
those
is not
names will help when
really.
they are docked too.
So I'm actually going to put this Firefox in where you can't switch to it on my secret screen. So Twitch.
Yeah, don't dox yourself.
Well, I don't care about myself, but my passwords. I'm not very secret. So the unwinding
Oh
accounts
yeah, your
pass.
channel.
Yeah. So to get this password, I need to type a password. There. And I'm moving this one too. Not that it's visible, I don't think so. No, it's just starred there. By the way, this is kind of fun that you can do that. You can move this out of the OBS window if you want to. So let's actually pop it in this one. Come on, there you go. And the username. And log in here. And again, maybe it doesn't matter very much if the layers of security. And I get a message also about the login. So I'm just waiting for there it is, verification code. Well, I guess I shouldn't put this on the screen either. So, because I don't think they're very good at updating those. So you can watch this screen for 2 seconds. One. There. So there, we're in the chat. So let's put the other chat in here. Come on, same place. And all the time, I would like this to be connected to the bottom because I have to drag it down all the time. So if you have any tips, but I've really tried. It
The
can't
other docs
be.
for this channel will just work now, as OBS has logged in.
Yeah, but this is so this one I might just, can I refresh it? Maybe I'll have to right click, right? Refresh. Yeah, so this works. And this one, could I type here?
Great.
No, that's what I was thinking. That's the next one. So we have and we have username is unavailable because I was in the wrong place. So
So you'll be using custom docs even for your primary channel, so you can name the tabs. Good idea.
yeah, then we can make it more easily visible. All the mails and SMS this time. Talk about making things complicated. So why was this one set to SMS?
Hide the screen.
Hide the screen. I did. I always feel smart when that happens, right?
Yeah, my bot is SMS, but my main is Authy.
Okara says, hi,
Hi, welcome in. So we're messing about with OBS right now here. So let's put this one in here too. So we have the chat for fix it, the chat for unwinding, because we're streaming to both right now as a test. And this one should be refreshed and logged in. And let's put it, well, I guess we'll have to do this first. Maybe this is a good order. fix it. No, I thought it was so. Chat info. I can do like F chat, F info, U chat, U info, and then we'll have YouTube chat, and I'll have to, if I ever really seriously stream to YouTube, and I'll have to add something, you know. I've been thinking about that. I haven't seen any good integrated ones. Have you? But maybe it's not worth it. Maybe it's not worth the job. So we have this Sami bridge here too. So the Sami problem is not a problem because all Sami does is talk to OBS. It doesn't talk to Twitch. So my Sami is this. It's just setting scenes and things. I don't have anything else. So it's not a problem really to just have one, and this is just for that. It's just here to be hidden. I'll never click it. This is not really interesting even. I can remove this so we don't have there. So we have a bit more text here. Maybe I should move the bridge. Where can we hide it without it being in the way? Should we put it so I'll need to drag it up here. If you put it behind the controls there, we will never have to see it. And we have more, we can see the text, though we have tabs here now and they take a bit of space. Well, I guess it's more logical now that this space below was always there because it was intended for the tabs, I guess. So yeah, right, I ended a few random things here. So now we can set this is no longer the first test stream. I guess this is the second one, right? I can't spell test and I can't spell stream. And what I usually do is just to have the same thing here. So as it was a default, I couldn't select it. And then welcome here. I guess I should automate that when this is changed, set this. But I don't always, if it's a long one, I will not use all of it. I don't really know what this is used for, right? This is notification you get up sometimes, and this is the title. So this is only used in the notifications, right? So do I have any crazy here? Exploring the world, relaxing and chill. Learning languages, right. We were thinking there. Learning languages, learning music. I might do like Duolingo or whatever learning here,
Jerome
or
Flex says,
try and learn guitar or piano stuff.
Yeah, it's in the pop-up we see on Twitch and in notifications.
Yeah. And maybe the mails too, if you get mails sent, right? The TTS I actually removed from my other stream because I think I was getting people that wanted to have their
when mails
messages
work
read.
lol.
Yeah, when mails work. Yeah. So hi again, Tyrone. Hi here too. And let's see now, because I'm logged in as someone who hasn't got any emotes. I guess. We'll have to make this one have emotes too, right? Meaning Oh, we'll have to get it to affiliate, right?
Follower emotes, yeah.
Because you need the emotes. You need the emotes. So I'm thinking, is this the right place to have this on? If we just make it bigger for a bit, we can start all, stop all. But my main one is in the settings. So, how will StreamerBot deal with these?
Yeah, we need 100 plus hype train emotes cap at infinite.
So, yeah, I have that one, too. Uh, let's make such a
You were there?
yeah.
Nice, it was
I
epic.
was raided in there. I don't know if it was like someone raided into someone who raided him. So it was some kind of cybersecurity stream. I don't remember who it was. Could it have been Siren? I don't know. Maybe. So I have it there. Oh look, it works. So apparently using the built-in Docker chat
Oh
doesn't
right,
work with the
I was in the
modes.
ferret stream, and they were chatting about it, so went over to Thor.
Okay. Uh, got it. So I'm scrolling too far now. It's at the bottom. It's this one, right? Here. Oh, right. You got a image of me there in the way of everything. So if we think about this one, well, let's add YouTube here too, because now we're using a separate OBS here for YouTube. I'm thinking that pop-up that YouTube does when you start to stream that I'm annoyed at. How will this handle it? So if we say YouTube, fix it 42 live, and what did I call this one? Yeah, so let's add some dash there too. It's kind of nice. I guess I'll have to do the same for YouTube, which is annoying. But I guess I want to test this. So if someone is watching at YouTube, I see one view and it's probably
I
me.
usually just create a YouTube schedule stream.
Okay, schedule stream. Because I'm thinking of the automation of it, how I could do it. So if I click this start streaming, then I will want this to start automatically, possibly, depending on the mode. If I type in chat, let's do. I was saying that before, but I didn't follow my own thoughts. Is this good? Oh well, let's
Yeah,
make it
I've not
this.
worked out a way to automate it. I saw that screen and knobs when you went live on YouTube. even seen that in OBS before.
Mm-mm. So what I want to happen is when I click this streaming button, I just want this to be. But if I'm in the chat of Unwinding and I do like SS for start streaming, now we're at the streamer button, right? Nothing is listening at this. Start streaming, this should start this, right? That's the whole point of this. It should start this stream here. Because I can't be physically at home when I'm starting a remote stream and half an hour car drive away, you know? That's not very practical.
Yeah, not sure how to do that.
Then we have this stats thing too. I kinda look at that. That's what the only way I see things. Then I know this is not good because yeah, 0.45. Maybe that's correct. But I
You
know
can
that you
get
jumped
stats
like
URL
20
for
minutes.
secondary channel.
I'll have to look at the chat here. Yeah, so I'm thinking we'll have to make these manually too, right? If we want them. But I know this is bad. So maybe I should just close it instead. You know? And maybe I should not have the full ones.
Yeah, it doesn't update very often.
Right, so it was like, I think it was 6 minutes. I was like, what, 6 minutes? No, that's not correct. And then it jumped to like 26 or something. So, or maybe it was 46. I don't know. So, also, maybe I shouldn't care if someone is watching, you know. But I like to interact with people, and often people have been quiet, but being there. So I've had like 13 viewers and no one
But how to
chatting.
start the Muttley RTMP remotely? I would like to know how.
Yeah, let's look at that, because that's important. But I'll just do one quick thing. Because I have no need any longer to have these full height. And it destroys the
Are you stream
layout
on
for
your
me here.
Fixit YouTube? I don't see it.
It's still live there because I didn't close it down, so it has one view, which is probably me. Well, let's see. Let's switch to this one. Live. If we go back to, so I should be live. That's kind of dark.
Oh, it's Fixit42 Live Smile Smile.
Yeah, so I don't go live on Fixit42. But I'm kind of curious here why it's not visible.
Okay, smile smile.
So I'm going to put on my Fixit42 channel, I'm going to put, I need to also put some time into finishing that Python tutorial. I kind of have it all planned in my head, but I haven't done it also. This is odd. Well, let's just close this one because that's just for testing anyway. And I was actually going to close it down. So
it's streaming okay here for me. Maybe click on the live word. Ah yeah, okay, smile smile.
Yeah, let's do the stop streaming. You will not be able to reconnect. Then I tried and I could reconnect, so it's kind of funny. Which said, all right.
Fixerbot says.
There it
Welcome.
started.
Stream starts in 5 minutes.
Sorry.
to Ronsluk says.
Streamer bot goes off on 1 again, lol.
Sorry, and I said sorry, and it was, yeah, because I put it to all OBSs again.
It's okay, lol.
So we have this one. So let's actually stop this one again.